Hey everyone, Dr. Matt Geller here. I'm here with my good friend, Dr. Kellen Robertson, practicing in private practice out of Spokane, Washington. Today we're talking about everything LipiFlow, LipiView, LipiScan. Yep. We've got a great article coming out that you authored. I think it's 35-something pages on the topic. So this is something that's obviously worked well in your practice, and looking forward to diving into it. So give us the macro view of what these products are, what they do.
Yeah, absolutely. So LipiFlow was a great addition to our dry eye treatment management and innovative. And so really to start it off, they started off with LipiView, and then they went to LipiView 2. That's essential for patient education and understanding what's happening to the Meibomian glands. And so that's a critical portion. And so in my practice, we have the LipiScan, a little bit smaller footprint there. And we do that complimentary for all our dry eye patients. Anyone with any symptoms at all, we'll do that complimentary and go over that with them, because I think that's a very critical piece to the management system and compliance. And I'm big on education for the patients. And so based on what we see in the LipiScan, which shows us the Meibomian gland transillumination and surface illumination of the Meibomian glands, I can see how many glands are completely atrophied. And so I go over that with the patient and say, hey, here's where we are. We need to get into treatment to stop these glands from atrophying. Once they're gone, not coming back. Yep. And then I dive right into LipiFlow. And so LipiFlow is the great treatment there. It's an in-office procedure that's safe and effective, only takes 12 minutes, uses vectored thermal pulsation, which is these single-use activators that are easy to put on the eye, and it heats up the glands from the inside of the lid to 108 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the melting point of the Meibomian glands. And that 108 degrees Fahrenheit is really important, and the inside is also very important, because we know that trying to go through your skin tissue, through the dermal layer there and the adipose tissue, it's hard to get to the melting point of the glands in the back of the eye on the inside of palpebral. And so that's great for the heating, and then the pressure, basically pulsatile pressure, kind of clears out those coagulated old glands to get them flowing, refreshed, and upregulated.
What practice are these devices for, right?
Anyone who wants to take dry eye seriously. There's those doctors out there, and it's fine that they don't want to spend the time. It takes a lot of time to educate patients on it, and it takes a lot of money to have the equipment there to properly treat. If you're a doctor that doesn't want that, then just be aware of the conditions so you can refer out to an optometrist that can do the treatments. And so in Spokane, Washington, there's about 500,000 people in the surrounding areas. I think we have 4 LipiFlow doctors in that area.
Wow,
so
okay.
it's relatively small, and so honestly, I think if you're interested in dry eye treatment, you have to have LipiFlow to be an effective dry eye.
So maybe we're not saying it's a standard of care, but for anyone who wants to grow and maintain and be up with the latest and greatest, these are instruments that are a must.
Yeah, and with the decreased activator cost and the prices coming down, it's a no-brainer.
Yeah, absolutely. Do you feel that this has really helped to build your practice and make you stand out?
Absolutely, yeah. So I'm an associate at a private practice, and we came in and she was doing a little bit of, the previous doctor was doing a little bit of dry eye, but being able to have this definitely makes you a dry eye practice, because you have the treatments. Because if you didn't, you're talking to the patients, you start treatments, but you always would have to refer out to actually have these procedures done. And so yes, it's made a huge impact. It's good for business, it's good for the patients, and I love win-win situations.
I love what we're seeing, and that it's really bringing dry eye to the next level, giving optometrists more tools than they had in the past. But thanks for coming on, and looking forward to getting this great piece out. Thanks.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.